Today I am playing Minecraft Way of the Bee. And you might notice my voice might be low because I become older. And also I got to follow one weird villager. I don't know where he's going, but I should follow him. Let's just go. Okay, he should be somewhere here. Oh yeah, I forgot. Fitnet is joining me today. Yeah, he is my friend, and you know, he made me worse in some videos. I don't think I'm supposed to go here. But sometimes Sukkot will probably meet me, but I think this Fitnight is doing most. But he's my friend. What do you mean, look? I know, that's a well. You didn't tell it. I went into the well before I was recording. I died. It was very fun. I don't know why. New objective. Road to honeycomb hollow. Honeycomb hollow. Why is there a honeycomb if it's hollow? No honeycomb is hollow. When are you coming? Come on, Fitnight. I'm waiting for you. You gotta come fast, or else I'll stop without you. Come on, man. You know you can talk too. You don't need to type in chat. It is right next to me. Wait, what are you doing? Hey, why are you on me? You can't get on me. They're doing a race there. Remember? No. I'll see you when I get there. I think I should stop right there. Okay. Why is it raining all of a sudden? Cover. Oh, yeah, that's better. Yeah, I know you said hi. You don't need to tell. You're just there like 2 seconds. I know rain is there, so Garrett. Why does it rain? It's completely even. It's not even, but it's good. Wait, why do you like to be wet? Are you crazy? It's what it is. No! You are. I'm not crazy. You are crazy. Come on. It's gonna hit me. Oh, look at these drawings. I got away from him. You can't get me. Hey, you can't get me. Oh no, he's gonna stay right behind me. He's gonna wait for me so he can hit me off. Hey, come on, wait for me, man. Wait for me. Come on. Who was I talking to? I think that was another person. Oh, yeah, that was my other friend. He was talking to someone. I can see him already going. Come on, wait for me, man. Okay, there we go. Come on. Yeah, I made it. Hey, what? Stupid glitching. I hate your glitching. It's glitching so much. I'm glitching so much. Why? What's with this glitching? Come on, dude, not fall. Okay, I wonder where he went already. I'm good at parkour a lot. I'm very good at parkour. I don't know why it was so hard. He said it's and this parkour is very hard. It's so easy. Oh, what are these? I don't know how did they get these? How did they get these drawings? I think they're like whoa, what is this? They're confusing. Oh, okay. Is that supposed to be me? They're terrible drawings. If I take them, they attack me. Oh. Hey, how is that a sun? I don't know, like a magic spell or something. Oh no, this one right there. It's kind of bad. I did not even lose. Even I did not lose. Maybe sometimes because I was going too fast. But I'm not losing again. You fell. Yeah, only fell like 3 times in the first level. Okay, the first level is this one where I just escaped the rain. I'm falling out of the rain. 5 times. I've not fought 5 times. How does it escape from the rain? Ow! I'm burning. Calm, peaceful. I really hate the burning. It's useless. Useless. Hey, where you go? Mushroom high, follow the road. I love the rain. You do not like the rain. Where are you? Stay away from me, alien. What is that thing? Who is that?
You're not a
It's only chasing me.
Bees hide away during rain and at night, so you can't possibly be a bee. Also, you're too big. Rain.
What is that
Follow me
thing?
back to my home for shelter.
What are you, mister? Are you an alien? You're the weirdest bee I've ever seen in my entire life. Why were you weird? Why do you have a beard?
My
What
wings
are
are
you?
all wet.
I don't think you're...
Now I can't use them until they dry off. Bees have the right idea. That's why you'll never find them outside if it's raining.
I
If
know.
you're going to make it on this island, then you'll need to learn the way of the bee.
Everyone knows the way of the bee, you maniac.
Oh, it looks like the rain is stopping. Follow me.
Hey, what
I
scientist?
want to show
How
you
are you
something.
a scientist? Wait, what? Where's he? Did he teleport or something? Where is that guy? Oh, that is there.
Achoo!
Why would bees sneeze?
My hay fever is still in full swing.